All right, A-team. We was down on the ground for a moment. We got our our bird proofing all cut out. Took it off this 100 feet roll right here. We have the galvanized bird proofing, so good quality. All right, we measured everything up, went up top, measured what we needed. So we have about 22 feet right here. We have another 10 feet right there, and that'll kind of close it all up. So we're gonna go up now, wash the roof, and then after we wash the roof, we're gonna clean the solar panels. After we clean the solar panels, then we're gonna go ahead and put these on, make sure all the birds and stuff come up out of there. So yeah, here we go here in the new rig. All right, it's pretty cool working from out of here. And Heavenly Father willing, you know, we'll have the nice wrap for the branding, or at least have our decals or whatever the case is. So that way when we're out, you see us everywhere like they used to say at Folsom Lake. But anyhow, have a great day.